Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Free Internship and Courses program. In this video, we are going to learn how to get free SWAYAM Plus Intelligent Data Center Certification Course 2026. This is the provider by SWAYAM and this is the Ministry of Education government course, and this is for the data center course. So you can go through the step-by-step process for this. So free government certified course alert. The SWAYAM Plus Intelligent Data Center Course 2026 is a completely free online certification program launched by the Government of India to help students and professionals gain in-demand data center skill. So course highlight is that free certification by government platform, that is a SWAYAM, and free data center infrastructure and management, covers cloud networking, security, power system, and suitable for the UG, PG, and working professional. Boost your career in IT, infrastructure, and cloud. So who should apply? There's the student, UG, PG, and PhD, IT professional, anyone interested in the data center and cloud. And this is the URL. So we'll go through this URL and don't miss the opportunity to gain high demand skill too for free. So when you'll open this page, you will get find your page. This is the SWAYAM Plus, and here you can go through the URL. So education.gov.in means this is a government website, and the owner is the Ministry of Education, and this is the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. So including that, they are providing the certified intelligent data center operations and maintenance CID COM. A 3 months banded learning program designed for the skill engineering graduates in data center DC operations, security, infrastructure, supported by IIT Madras. And this is the Parivartak and Bharti is there. So registration is free. So offered by the IITM, IIT Madras, and there's a 40 hours course in English, IIT Madras. So learning outcome is that understand the core DC infrastructure, data center infrastructure, demonstrate a strong foundational, understand the essential data center physical infrastructure, including the advanced power, cooling, and mechanical system. So operation and maintenance protocol is there, ensure compliance is there, and this is a bridge theory and practice. So about the course, so a 3 months course is this. So this is a engineering graduates in data center operations, security, infrastructure, and supported by IIT Madras. So okay, so course outline is this one. So data center operation. So there is a step by step, all the courses are there. In last they are showing you the rack and PDUs, configuration management and server rack and power distribution unit. So let me complete the this one about the course. So this is done, and introductor bio is there. So IIT Madras. So course certificate is there. Complete the course requirement to earn a credit eligible and verified certificate. So assessment and certification. So assessment fee is no extra fee. So mode is online and proctorate, and type is the MCQ. And assessment provider is the IITM, and this one certificate provider is the SWAYAM Plus and IIT for our tak. Next is that intended audience is that data center technician, operator, data center operations trainee, assistant, facility engineer, data center, network operation center, NOC, technician, critical infrastructure support engineer, IT support specialist, data center focus. Requirement is prerequisites is that 12 pass completed student, level is certification. So what will you will gain with this? So you will gain infrastructure management, operations and maintenance, power cooling management, IT service management, ITSM, and network and hardware foundation, security and compliance, and professional soft skill. So all the details we have gone through. So now there is options to register free. When you click this one, you they will ask you to uh, no password. You will send you the OTP on sign in. So I'm going to give my email address, then click on continue. So you will get a 6-digit code. So let me check into my mobile. So I got this one 735176. 735176. Okay. So click on verify and login. So you have logged in. Now you have to provide your personal detail, your name, first name, last name, email address, your phone number, date of birth, gender, age, country, pin code, state, city, and other details. Academic ID and APAR ID you have to provide. This is optional. If you provide upper ID, then it will just link with your academic credit. So now there is a save and continue. So step by step process you have to go to complete this one, and after login you will find this page. Okay. So in this video we have learned how to get a free SWAYAM Plus Intelligent Data Center course. And disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. No copyright violation intended. For copyright concern, you can send me mail on chiragmahto@gmail.com. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any questions? Then drop them into the comment box. Like, share and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto official. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.